Hello one and all. I am Shivani S. Pursuant of LL.M in Intellectual Property Specialization in School of Law, JAIN deemed to be University. School of Law, JAIN deemed to be University is a perfect platform for one to pursue law and empower themselves and receive a state-of-the-art legal education. Digital and the physical library resources, the vast options in global research databases, the vast option in Coursera certifications, periodic brainstorming sessions support the students to gain a vast and in-depth theoretical and practical knowledge. The various mentoring sessions provide interpersonal growth of the students beyond grades and ranks. The various resources and the skill development and capacity building initiatives and the various guest lecture series organized by School of Law, JAIN deemed to be University empower the students and motivate them to practice in national and international conferences, participate in internships and mediation competitions, and publish scholarly articles.